Hi everyone, my name is Arvind. I am launched by Ravi. My mentors are Santosh and Ashwini, and my upline platinum is Prashant and Kapila ma'am. So today we are going to see the farming practices being followed by Neutralite, the only organic brand which I know ever is making organic farming in a good way. So just before we go into the topic, so let's discuss what are the types of farming which is being following in day-to-day life in maximum all over the places. So the thing is, the modern practices which is being followed in India now. Let's take India for an example. It is not the actual practice which has been followed long years ago, where our ancestors lived. So this is the place where it plays an important role on what we consume. So, for example, we are using pesticides, insecticides, store bought organic compost and all to grow our crops. So, what happens to the soil is it gets spoiled, and the crop grows in the soil spoiled, which we consume. That's the reason our health is being depleted. So, this is the place where organic farming plays a vital role without compromising the quality of the soil and not even being harming the plant by any insects and pests and all other natural calamities which happen. So what they do is they follow organic farming. So many people would have been heard what organic farming is. It is a technique which uses no chemicals, no insecticides, no pesticides to grow the crops. So how it is being effectively matters. So, Neutralite has farms in many of the topographies like Brazil, Washington, Mexico, and they are placed in different topographies according to the crop which requires proper climatic conditions. So, what are the climatic conditions required for the crop is for example, low humid area, high humid area, and the topography which satisfy all the needs for the crop to grow in a proper way with proper phytonutrients, which is required by our body to build our natural immunity. So that's what phytonutrient means. So Neutralite farm follows the practices of organic farming. So people may have a doubt what organic farming means without pesticides, insecticides. How would they control it? So I would tell you a very important aspects in this. Neutralite follows is falconry. So you all know a bird called falcon, right? So falconry means the area is spread wide out the farms, and falcon is being what attracted to the GPS device, and it is being circulated all around the farm. So if any insects and pests come to destroy a crop, so the falcon goes and feeds them up, chases them away, and it prevents the crop from being destroyed or spoiled. So this is the very important aspects where Neutralite plays a very important role, and I have no choice of saying this, but Neutralite is the only company which has GPS and tractor technology for their farming techniques, and maximum they don't use their hands or things to harvest. They use, but it is minimal. So this is a very important aspect. It is direct from, as they say, farm to plate, and in that case it is from farm to our health. So Neutralite is a very good company which follows these type of farming techniques, and they conduct 5,000 plus tests a day, and all are being documented and recorded. So I don't think so any other company does this much to produce quality of crop. Neutralite just believes in one thing, sustainability